One more round, one more approach. I just I've got the struggle. I got the switch working. Oh, not the switch, but shift working. It has some decent logics. Like I got two functions, decrease and increase, because it's too much of checks. I know it's maybe too deep, but I like the semantics of it. And remember that this is a reactive object, and we can just have a let, maybe octave set, and then have all the things being reactive. Um, so it may be shorter, but it's uh, it's okay for me. It's laying in this component. I can forget about it, or maybe then throw it into the state, or maybe to mutations and optimize it there. But for now, it's perfectly okay. It's just adds the octaves and removes them, and it's funny for me to see how difficult it is to add rows for the browser. So it's struggling to um, build the 12 squares just with the letters. I suppose it's about the opacities and opacities of these s- hidden things, and you see it's just destroyed after I have some did just one octave glitch. Two. For now it's okay. I don't know. Somehow it starts to glitch out. But I like it. Uh, Maybe we can do it better later. But the thing that I want to um, do now is to make it a little bit more reactive and interactive. I think that with the cell we can interact a little more, interact with the cell, because for now I've added the trigger attack release if it's active, if it's not active, and we tap on it, so we'll have console log tap, so we'll have, I suppose, a tap. But we don't have it. Maybe active is something, active value, of course. This is the thing with value, with refs. That's why I love. Oh yeah. So it's what it's supposed to do, but I think that just like we have the volume set to 0 now, and we should set it to some degree, I think. So let's try just set voice volume is set to, I don't know, 50. Is it okay, or should it be, yeah, 100? So yes, it works. But I need to adjust the syntax to trigger attack release. Yeah, it needs another 8, and it's time for which it should be played. Maybe it should be 16, and let's try it. What? Start timing might be strictly greater than duration. time may be set as plus. I remember we can set it to very little amount, as I remember, as now, current time, but it's not okay with frequency 1 tick. Okay, let's try just 500 hertz. It's just very slow, very but it doesn't stop because duration should be 16 m. Okay. Oh, because we have set the volume. Okay, maybe. So this will work too. It's broken. But yeah, I click it. Okay. I like the filter sweep, and also we can control this filter, and even per cell. But the thing is the controls that we need to implement. So I don't know, with touch I can imagine some more of a tool like the the gyroscope or orientation or some kind, but with just a mouse or a trackpad, that's all that we can have. And also it's working on the after I release, so it's detected the tap. Yeah, it's not drag, because now it thinks, oh, maybe it's a drag. Yeah, and I drag it up, but I can just tap it and it's on and off. Nice. I don't know, hovering may be too noisy and you can get away from the notes that you won't play. So it's the thing that I like. I like that the fact that we have the controls and everything is now without some errors. It's a great state of app, even it's not too deeply developed, but it's stable. It's nice. What do we need then? I think is some planning. So it was just a rush for me to create this repository, and it's just too sterile. I need to say that it's new version. Oh no, it's here. It will be just table of interactive notes play at an experimental sound field. Experimental, like this, with the website table chromatone.center, and with topics like music, u3, vite.js, tone.js, pitch, notes, and I don't know, windy css. For now it's okay, so we save changes. This is the repo and also the readme, and the readme is the thing that I can use to readme to store the roadmap. So now we call it page table chromatone pitch table pitch or a table of pitches, and here we can have the roadmap. So what do we have to do? The first thing is mobile. It's a huge mess. I don't know. iOS, no sound, and I'll say just like this will be fixed. Maybe I'll say fix. Yes, no sound. Then fix Android glitches. Fix iPad. No, it's not for mobile. It's overall. Like performance. Fix too slow render, and also fix noisy tones, and by the way, we can use it not as just I suppose it should work like this, like if we have these square brackets and show it at the readme in GitHub, it should, oh, of course, didn't send it, push to the GitHub. Yes, these are tick box, these are checkboxes, and they're all just too bad, nothing fixed, but okay. And features should be synth controls. We need to control the synth, then filter, and then maybe filter is the synth controls, yes. Then scroll controls, maybe, I don't know, I'm just thinking about maybe use the wheel to move some parameters also. Maybe it's too much, but think about it. What's next? What's more? Let's check the old one. I think it may be a good reference point. So the old table is loading. Yes, it's intonation. Intonation. It's A4 frequency, and it's I know here we'll have the waveform, the filter, the ADSR, and pretty much it. It's pretty much it. So that's the process. The next thing I'll do myself without camera, without talking too much, just more coding. Roadmap. But you can still look at the process, find the progress here with these checks, and you can, if you watched it like learning, you can even start upgrading the code, because I know if you're watching, you know what's can be improved, just because you have your point of view, and I'm just diving into things that I understand or are interesting for me, but I don't know, maybe I miss some important things, and I know it's okay. So that's it for now. See you next time. Bye.